Hello everyone, today I will introduce our three proof the labels to you, and we are comparing the quality with the other suppliers. So it will help you to understand the advantages of our labels.
First of all, let's start our heat resistance test. We boil the water first and stick 3 kinds of labels on the freshly boiled electric kettle. Wait for a while to see the difference between the 3 labels. You can see our top-coated label can maintain its normal function and readability in high temperature environment. Then we conduct a waterproof test. Spraying water on the surface of a label and then scratch it. We can see that both of our labels performed very well. Finally, we are doing a simulated test in a supermarket refrigerator. We put the labels and put them in the refrigerator. Waiting for 24 hours. Obviously, our 3-proof label do not become damp or deformed. It's complete and readable.
Well, today's test is done. If you have any questions or interested in our labels, please contact us anytime. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much and see you next time.